In Module 2 of Chapter 12, we're going to generalize the Black-Scholes formula to other assets than common stock with continuous dividends. And so the first thing that we're going to do is to express the prices that we saw in the prior module in terms of prepaid forward prices. And this is an especially powerful way to think of these formulas because prepaid forward prices allow one to implement these formulas in a wide variety of contracts that we'll see momentarily that look quite different than a plain vanilla call on a stock. And what we can see is that the call, we've done is that the prepaid value of S, you remember in the Black-Scholes formula, it was S e to the minus delta T. Well, that's the prepaid value of a share of common stock. This, in the Black-Scholes formula, was K e to the minus RT. That's the prepaid forward value for a contract that pays K at time T. And so, by restating these coefficients as prepaid forward prices, we'll also notice that the expression for D1 is a function of these same two prepaid forward prices. This insight allows us to apply these formulas in many other contexts where instead of S and K, we can use the prepaid forward price of whatever two instruments we happen to be contemplating in our call. And we'll see examples of this coming up. Now, you might wonder if this is just a notational trick, and it's important to think about whether that's true. Does it make sense that a call can be expressed this way? And it's important that one doesn't simply say because the notation allows a certain interpretation that certain interpretation automatically applies in all of its generality. So there is a bit going on here besides this notational switch, but it turns out that it is true that we can interpret the coefficients in the Black-Scholes formula as prepaid forward prices, and that we can then apply these formulas in the context of prepaid forward prices in many other situations.